This is Harriet, so you put this next to her. But anyway, so this Canadian guy was, on the ship and we were friends with him. And I said, this is, Harriet's last name, Switzer.
We want you here.
And he said, you know what it means? And I said, what does it mean? He says, this is kind of an expression that Jewish people use when the guy is making a deal,
the local wine merchant,
stealing the other one, and he starts to.
You're in the start of an excellent meal. Everything good. Everything good. Dorothy, how are you this evening?
I'm very well.
Thank you for coming all the way from New York.
Very nice. Yes, that was my. I used to hang it.
I was going to say, what is that little thing?
Yeah, it comes from Spain.
Oh, and Annie, thank you for
now.
coming down and get you with a mouthful of food.
Thanks.
And Harriet,
Oh, yes,
so
dear.
lovely this evening.
Lovely. With my steak
It's always
in my
lovely to
mouth.
see you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
push the button. There's video recording.
There you
Yes. And here's to Bill and Joelle for hosting another excellent dinner party.
Very
with
dark
our
in
fine
this
guests.
room.
Well,
Candlelight.
it'll be the sexy, sensual candlelight video.
Yeah, I have to get closer to you so I can see your eyes and your mouth and.
Careful, careful. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
No.
Annie, would you like to give us the cook, what's her name? The cook, little butter and garlic?
What?
Du vin. Ah, c'est bon ça. Un petit peu.
Julia Childs.
Un petit peu. Et du beurre. Ouh, oui, la beurre. Le beurre. La beurre.
There's a little butter and garlic.
All it needs is just a little bit of wine.
My bag, my French bag.
Remember the Saturday night routine they did
Bon
on,
appetit.
now we're into the cheese,
Emailing each
bread,
other and PDFing each other and
artichoke.
it doesn't have to be.
And of course a little
And you can
wine.
just sign things, even on my iPhone I can sign a contract.
Right.
Really?
Sorry, yeah, you have this little app that makes it really big.
Are we just signing things in the
Here's
PDF?
looking at you, Bill.
Here's looking at you.
And you just signing counterparts. It used to have to be everybody had their signature on the same page.
Yeah.
Now we just blast
Tell
out
us
the
about
signature pages.
artichokes. Are they good for you?
Yes, very good.
Blueberry,
Now, in order to get our
blueberry, and what else?
daily requirement of fruit and dairy,
I love the vanilla.
we have to go with the ice cream and fruit compote.
Absolutely.
A little bit of everything.
It is just unbelievable.
And of
if I
course,
would
a
have
little
had
more
strawberries,
wine.
I should have bought them.
No.
They would
this
have
is
put them,
perfect.
yeah.
That was perfect.